You guys, do you want to find the next big protocol before it has a token? Well, stop scrolling Twitter first. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Now, I would like to introduce you to none other than Pyth. You can see right there the price of everything, everywhere. You heard that correct. I want you guys to clearly get this in your mind. Whenever a project is about to launch a token, they need a product, technically a product that is working, right? Not only that, but you guys, we're talking about it needs some price data. All right. So what happens whenever these projects start to launch? They technically need to integrate what is known as Pyth, right? They need to integrate Pyth first. So this means that Pyth knows a lot about new projects before technically almost anyone else, right? Technically, they know a lot about projects before they officially launch or before they actually go live. Now, if we take a look over here, you guys will see that we do have this ecosystem tab, which is going to be critical. We got Insights Hub, we got the staking, and we even have network performance, all right? So technically, if we do click on this, I want you guys to understand that we do have a overview, but more importantly, you can see right here, we got volume traded, we got publishers onboarded, we got price feeds active plus coming soon, and we even have active chains. So you guys, you're actually going to be able to filter through many different chains, which is actually pretty cool. All right. So if we take a look here, once again, we got publishers. This is pretty cool. And then after that, we got these price feeds. Okay. So you guys need to understand that technically this lists every single DApp that is currently using Pyth data. You heard that correct, you guys. All right. Do you want to crush your niche and get qualified leads nonstop? YTRANKER.net can turn your brand into a lead magnet. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to kick it off with incognito mode. We're going to go directly to YouTube, and you guys will see right here. Easy and simple. Very top right, we're going to go to language, which is going to be English, and location, we're going to have it set as the United States. Now, we're going to go ahead and search two different things. The first thing is going to be tiny URL alternatives, and you guys will see right here, boom, easy and simple. All right, I'm literally at the very top. That is me. That is my face. So if you are craving more leads and next level brand authority, go to YTRANKER.net. We don't just rank, we dominate. Let's get back to the video. I also want you guys to understand that they do have a lot of brand new integrations, right? You can see right here, we have stuff that is featured, and then we also have ones that are coming soon, okay? So technically, you guys, you're going to be able to scroll through here. If we actually go to coming soon, you're going to be able to scroll through here, and you guys are going to see that there's so much that technically you have never seen before, right? You can actually filter like asset classes. We even got crypto, right? We even have like commodities, crypto index, right? Redemption rate, ECO, FX, right? Metal. There's a lot here, okay? So I want you guys to understand you're going to be able to scroll through this, and you're definitely going to be able to get a lot of important details, right? Not only that, you guys, but also want you guys to understand, I mean, a lot of these are going to be considered what are known as pre-token projects, all right? So obviously, guys, I mean, if you check these out, there's a good possibility for these new projects that you can actually qualify for what is known as a future airdrop, right? Which is actually pretty cool. Now, as you guys saw, if you go back to overview, that they do have this staking. So they do have staking. So if we go back to the main tab, ecosystem, go right there, they do have staking. So the staking, it is very important, okay? So I want you guys to understand that historically, many of these partners, okay, many of these partners, they have given airdrops specifically to people that stake what is known as the Pyth token, right? And as mentioned, you guys can see a massive amount has been staked, right? We even have rewards distributed right there, which is actually pretty cool. And we even have governance total staked, okay? So I want you guys to understand, you technically get two wins here, right? So you get to fund a project early, right? That's important. But you also get rewarded for being part of the Pyth network. okay, which is critical, okay? So you guys can see right here, you're going to be able to easily connect your wallet and you're going to be able to go from there. Not to mention, you guys, governance, right? So as mentioned, right, stakers, you actually get to vote on which new price feeds are added to the price feed section, right? So if you go back here, you got price feeds, you're going to be able to help vote on this, which is actually critical, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned, a lot of things that you can do here. You could filter through different blockchains. You could filter through so much, right? You could decide exactly what you want to do. You could even just go to feed symbol, okay? So I'm going to highly recommend that you guys dive down into this and that you guys check this out and let me know exactly what you guys think, because I think this right here, you guys, it is the future. All right. And that is what we're looking for. Right. So you guys can see all the different chains here as well, which is actually really cool. Right. This is contract addresses and etc. Right. You can actually just kind of scroll through here and see what they have to. So once again, you guys, I mean, there we have it. We got Pyth. Right. So before projects technically launch, before they officially go live, especially on the big exchanges, and we all know how that goes. Right. So I'm going to highly recommend that you guys dive down into the website. They do have a link tree as well. So a lot of important details. Right. We got all the socials. Everything is going to be found right here. All right. Check it out. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Stop guessing. Click the link down below in my bio to browse the full list of Pyth partners and start hunting for the next big airdrop today. Once again, smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, check out those links. We will see you in the next one. And don't forget to leave a comment and tell me what you think.